Bugtrac.com, a buggy monitoring platform. Bugtrac.com are integrated with a buggy battery monitoring sensor with GPS tracking enabled feature. What is a buggy battery monitoring sensor? It tracks and stores buggy battery data, transmit the battery data to cloud, and viewable via Bugtrac.com. Bugtrac.com features. It provides real-time battery reading, a 30 days battery history data, provide digital logbook instead of paper log, and ensure high machine uptime. Bugtrac.com battery data transmission. It automatically transfers the data to cloud, and the information are updated within seconds. The sensor connected to Wi-Fi. Bugtrac.com collect important battery data such as battery state of charge (SOC), battery state of health (SOH), battery expected lifespan, battery conditions such as temperature, voltage and water level. It also provide and display the analysis of the battery in the system. Bugtrac.com will alert and send notification to the technician about damaged cell warning, water level warning, voltage and temperature warning, and daily battery status alerted by the system. We also provide features such as GPS tracking to locate your buggy location in the field. The GPS tracking will also store the history for the previous 1,000 buggy location. Bugtrac.com. Number 1 in Malaysia for buggy monitoring system. Visit www.renewcell.com.my for more.